And I like what Secretary Katlang said that, our heroes are our OFW. I am also one of a OFW child. My dad has been an OFW for 10 years. Hindi ko siya nakasama ng matagal. But of course, seeing him after a while has brought so much joy. I know how these challenges are for our OFWs, for the families that are left behind, or those who are still here na OFW in the Philippines. We are here to thank the organization and of course the MW for the continuous partnership that we are doing right now. And we hope that this can go a long way pa. It's not just the start, but many more years to come further, that we are giving so much hope and influence. We are not just the Queen itself, we are a Queen to give influence, to advocate